Move over, Denzel.
Welcome back to Bougie TV. Today I got something of a banger. Warren Easton versus 35 McDowell. Now, for those that said that I dislike Warren Easton, shame on you. I don't dislike anybody. I just don't know him like that. But let's get into it. Shout out to Carpet Diem Films for this amazing video.
Ready, up! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, and play, hey!
I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me be honest with you. When they went against, I think, St. Aug and Abe, I could barely hear them. Like, I heard them, but I couldn't hear them. But up close, they sound really good. Hold on. The range ain't bad. Okay, Miller Poems, I see you. Oh, you know what, Easton, y'all shocked me today. Hold on, wasn't expecting that. Y'all shocked me. Uh-oh, what y'all got for us, 35? Okay, can I be honest? Okay, trumpets. I understand y'all right in front, but y'all are getting drowned out by the baritones, tubas, trombones. We can't hear y'all. I'm sorry, we can't hear you. I love the arrangement, but we can't hear trumpets. And y'all right there in front of us. Y'all gotta know how to put air in your horn. Push out, man. Don't be scared. Okay, that's a little better, not bad. Trombones, y'all got that trombone part was not it, bro. I'm sorry. It sound like it's a little bit muffled. Yeah, I ain't like that. Warren sound more complete. Okay, that's not that's pretty decent. That's solid. You do got a solid 8. Oh, I like this. Oh. Ring, ring, ring. Okay. What's crazy about it? I knew my face. I knew it. Someone was sitting right in my spirit with this song right here. I knew it. I knew it. That run was horrible, horrible, horrible. That's a no. That was solid. I ain't. That was real solid. Okay, we get something. Okay, good articulation. Why the band look like Wayne Morris from Boyz II Men? Am I the only one tripping? He got the "'Cause I live to the end of 35." Cause you gotta make sure his band sound good. It's unnatural. Ooh, not a. Never mind. See. I was about to take y'all to church. I like this. Hold on. I like this. Trumpets. That's the only problem I have with 35. The trumpet sections is not. It's not there. It's not. Okay, baritone. Trumpets. I love the arrangement, but trumpets ain't there, bro.
1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Right now, the Eagles running through.
I like this. Okay. Okay, telephone. Okay, trumpets and tubas, I hear you. Good clean sound. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. Trombones, they sound good. Okay. The only problem I have is like, have you ever heard somebody play their horn, right? And it's no shade to them at all because they have their own style. But coming from professional mind that play trombone, it's like the sound is there, but I personally feel like it's a little bit muffled. And I think the only reason why I say that, and I think the only way that's going to probably help them to actually get a more wall of a sound is to everybody need to push from the diaphragm and actually has a constant flow of air. Because when you restrict your airflow, it kind of sounds thin. And right now it sounds thin. It sounds very thin. But it's nothing wrong with it. But it's just from a musical standpoint, you want to fill your horn up with air. It's like filling your body up with air. You want to make sure that you have enough air to support. You know what I'm saying? It shouldn't sound thin for all of y'all, bro. Y'all should be attacking, not sounding thin. Like, be more aggressive. That's all I'm asking. Baritones will roll over there. I like it, but y'all gotta watch it a little bit. Tubas, you came in so weak. What was that, Tubas? What was that? nephew, calm on down, nephew, calm on down. We could barely hear y'all as it is. You only hit that one. It's okay. We understand. You hype because you hit that one note, but your whole trumpet section, y'all sound thin. We can't hear y'all. That boy look like R2 over there. Did this nigga just... This nigga... Hold on. Just said... Did this nigga just... Nigga. It ain't that... What you mad for? What? And the band director gonna let him say... Boy, we would have said that when I was... Oh, we would have got... Oh my God. You don't understand the rap my band director would have done to... Oh. And he just gonna sit there. You a grown man, you gonna let that boy cuss like that? Boy, you... Oh, y'all different down there. What you talking all that trash for? Y'all not even good. Your trumpet section is horrible. Let me chill. My fault. Too much on the trumpets. My fault. I'll take that back. Work in development. Okay, bro. ain't gonna lie, Warren Easton is kicking they tail. I'm not gonna lie to you. Dang. This ain't even fair, bro. They need a cold drink after this. They need a cold drink because they getting their tail whooped. I like this. Okay, Jumbo. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you. Super honest with you, because you want me to be honest with you. Now, I'm not saying that they sounded bad at all. I'm not saying that 35 sounded bad and Warren just obliterated them. I'm not saying that. It's just both programs have things to work on. Let's be honest with you. They have things to work on, especially 35. You gotta control that mouth, bro. I know that you're angry. The trumpet player, I know that you're angry. I know that you feel like you have a point to prove. But being in band, I get that you want to just showcase your talent. But my brother, you gotta control that anger, man. I'm gonna give this a Warren, man, because Warren was just, I like the arrangements. 35, like, it's just the trumpets that keep selling it for me, man. Everything else sounded great. It's just the trumpet section. I don't know what it was. It was like they not giving. If you want me in the front, you need to know how to just put air in your horn. That's all I'm saying, bro. But Warren, y'all got this, bro. That was an easy victory. Maybe from 35, no disrespect. But this is my own opinion. Warren got it.